Next we're going to talk about how to place beams or beam systems on an angle. In your Revit project you may have a roof that you need to support with angled beams. So to do that we need to use what we call a reference plane. So under Architecture, Work Plane, Reference Plane, you can create a line on an angle. I'm doing this in my framing elevation that will host beam and beam systems or just beams themselves. So this green dashed line, it can't be, it can only be extended, it can't be moved, the angle can't be moved once it's in place. Once you've drawn your reference line, select it and then name it. I highly recommend doing this in case you have a lot of reference planes, that way you know which one you're going to select to host your elements. The next thing you can do is in your floor plan, we can go ahead and we can create, for example, a beaming system. Here we're going to select the beam sketch, and I'm going to set my work plane. Here I can then choose the reference plane that I created for roof and OK, and I can go ahead and in my floor plan create that those boundary lines for my roof. I'll make it a little bit extravagant so we can really see it. Okay, I'm going to switch the direction of the beams, and I'm happy with everything, and I'm going to select the green tick, and I can see over here in my section that it's following my reference plane. So now I have a beam system that is on an angle. You can then also, in your reference plane, with your reference plane, you can move it up and down to align with different areas in, for example, your roof here.